Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving deep into the intricacies of the female reproductive system, one of the most fascinating and complex systems in the human body. Whether you're a student, a curious learner, or someone wanting to understand this better, stick around because we'll break it all down in a simple, engaging way. Let's get started. The female reproductive system is designed to support reproduction, from the production of eggs to the nourishment of a developing fetus. It has both internal and external components, working together in perfect harmony. Let's start with the internal organs. The ovaries are the primary reproductive organs. Think of them as two almond-shaped structures located on either side of the uterus. They have a dual role producing eggs and secreting hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Fun fact: at birth, a female has about 1 to 2 million eggs, but only around 400 to 500 are released during her lifetime. This release happens in a process called ovulation. Next, we have the fallopian tubes, or oviducts, the pathways through which eggs travel from the ovaries to the uterus. These tubes are crucial for fertilization. Infundibulum. This funnel-shaped opening at the end of the fallopian tube catches the egg released from the ovary. Fimbriae. These finger-like projections gently guide the egg into the tube. Ampulla. The wider middle portion, where fertilization typically occurs if a sperm meets the egg. Isthmus. The narrow part of the tube leading to the uterus. Without this structure, fertilization would be impossible. Now, let's talk about the uterus, also known as the womb. This pear-shaped organ is where a fertilized egg implants and grows into a baby. The uterus has 3 layers: perimetrium, the outermost protective layer; myometrium, the thick muscular layer that helps push the baby out during childbirth; endometrium, the inner lining that thickens each month to support a potential pregnancy. If no pregnancy occurs, it sheds during menstruation. Isn't it amazing how adaptable this organ is? The cervix is the lower, narrow part of the uterus that connects to the vagina. It acts as a gateway. The cervical canal allows the passage of menstrual blood, sperm, and, during childbirth, the baby. During labor, the cervix dilates to 10 centimeters, enough for the baby to pass through. The vagina is a muscular, flexible canal that connects the cervix to the external genitalia. It serves multiple purposes: as the birth canal during delivery, as the passageway for menstrual blood, and it accommodates the male reproductive organ during intercourse. Its remarkable elasticity is what makes all this possible. Moving to the external structures, collectively called the vulva, these are the parts you can see from the outside. The mons pubis is the soft, fatty tissue covering the pubic bone. It serves as a cushion to protect the underlying structures. Are the outer fleshy folds, while the labia minora are the thinner inner folds. They protect the vaginal and urethral openings. The clitoris is a small but highly sensitive structure, playing a key role in sexual arousal. It contains thousands of nerve endings. Its only function is pleasure. The hymen is a thin membrane that partially covers the vaginal opening in some females. Its presence and shape vary widely and have no medical significance. The female pelvis is uniquely designed to support pregnancy and childbirth. It provides a stable framework for the reproductive organs and expands during labor to allow the baby's passage. Let's not forget the mammary glands, which are crucial for feeding a newborn. Mammary lobes. Each breast has 15 to 20 lobes that produce milk. Mammary ducts. These carry milk from the lobes to the nipple. Lactiferous ducts. These ducts open at the nipple, delivering milk to the baby during breastfeeding. Isn't it amazing how the body is designed to nurture life? So, let's recap. The female reproductive system includes the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina, supported by the pelvis and mammary glands. Its external parts, the vulva, protect these internal organs while the breasts nourish life after birth. Here's a fun fact. Did you know the uterus can expand up to 500 times its normal size during pregnancy? Incredible, right? The female reproductive system is a marvel of nature, capable of creating, nurturing, and bringing new life into the world. Understanding it not only helps us appreciate its complexity, but also empowers us to take better care of our health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Chronicle. Hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations into science and health. See you in the next video.